The main aim of National Forestry Action Program is to bring area under forest cover. So option number B, 1/3, 33%. Which of these measures will have negative impact on the environment? Option number A, tillage. It's a traditional mechanical agitation, digging, D-I-G-G-I-N-G, digging, and S-T-I-R-R-I-N-G, stirring of soil can lead to soil erosion and degradation. It can lead to soil erosion and degradation. An example of resource conserving technologies. An example of resource conserving technologies are zero tillage. Option number C. So a technique where crops are sown without pre-planting, tillage, reducing soil erosion and labor costs. Reducing soil erosion, erosion, and LABO, labor cost. When is the International Day for Disaster Reduction? It is celebrated on October 13. Why it is celebrated? The day was started in 1989. 1989 UNGA, at United Nations General Assembly. UNGA to raise awareness about reducing disaster risk, including earthquakes, floods and cyclones. Which of the following can be found as pollutants in drinking water and in some parts of India? Arsenic. Rain is caused by the pollution of environment by nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Due to burning of fossil fuels. Coal, diesel, industrial exhaust and vehicular emission. Impact significant harm to aquatic ecosystem. Yes, aquatic ecosystem. Forest and infrastructure. So acid rain is caused by the pollution of environment by nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Burning of fossil fuel, coal, diesel. Its impact is significant harm to aquatic ecosystem, forest and infrastructure. What would happen if phytoplankton of an ocean is completely destroyed by some reasons? The ocean as a carbon sink would be adversely affected. The food chain in the ocean could be adversely affected. The density of ocean water would drastically decrease. Select the correct answer. using code given below. So the correct answer is 1 and 2. The ocean as a carbon sink could adversely be affected. The food chain in the ocean could be adversely affected. The pressure in the atmosphere is called hygrometer. The largest concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere is carbon dioxide. Greenhouse gases is carbon dioxide. Greenhouse gases. Burning of fossil fuels. Coal, oil, and gas. So its impact are rising sea level, rising of sea levels, oceanic acidification, and increased frequency of extreme weather events. Consider the following. Pyroclastic debris, ash and dust, nitrogen compounds, sulfur compounds. How many of the above are product of volcanic eruption? 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4. All of the above are the correct answer. Which of the following is a non-renewable source of energy? It's coal. Which program in India focuses on improving sewage treatment plant, developing rivers fronts, and monitoring industrial effluents in the river? It's option number B, Namami Gange. So programs like Atal Mission for rejuvenation, Atal Mission for rejuvenation, and urban transformation, Swachh Bharat Mission, urban. Swachh Bharat Mission urban. These are the programs in India which focuses on improving sewage treatment plant development, river fronts, and monitor industrial effluents in water. So the correct answer is B, Namami Ganga. River Damodar is called Sword of Bengal because it gets flooded, causing havoc. The river overflows its bank large areas in district of Hooghly, Howrah, and Bardhan. Major destruction of flood were occurred in 1770, 1885, 1913, and 1943. So it is River Damodar is called as Sword of Bengal because of the flooding. The Record project is constructed at the river Mahanadi. It was inaugurated in 1957. It was inaugurated in 1957 on the Mahanadi River in Odisha. It is a vital flood control. So Hirakud Dam is built to flood control, irrigation, hydropower, Wallerton Dam, Asia's largest artificial lake. It is Asia's largest artificial lake. It protects millions of hectares of land from devastating flood. Handling and Transboundary Movement Rules 2008. There shall be another ministry to deal with the transboundary movement of the hazardous waste and grant permission for transit of hazardous waste through any part of India. It is through Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India. Option number A is the right answer.